and glow with alarm.
Hey kids, let's learn how to write the lowercase letter E with a funny elephant. Step 1. First, imagine the elephant's long nose. Start by drawing a little line across it, just like the elephant's nose lying on the ground. Step 2. Now let's give the nose a big curly twist. Starting from the middle of the line, curve around to the left, like the elephant is curling its long nose into a loop. And there you go! You've written the lowercase e, just like an elephant with a curly, funny nose. Good job!
Uppercase E.
E. Start with a straight line down. Now add 3 short lines across, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. That's an excellent E.
Elephant E for elephant, trumpet, trumpet, big and gray, a gentle giant. Let's play!
You did it. You've placed the lowercase and the uppercase letter E. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a tracing pro. Parents, help your child follow these simple steps to master writing the letter E. See you soon. Bye.